guess what, guys? My Webkinz Lot came today in a package. Woo! And I'm gonna open it. Really excited. I'm getting a Samoyed and a Cocker Spaniel. Another Cocker Spaniel. Cocker Spaniel number 9. Yeah! Here we go. We're just gonna pull them out. You ready? There's a black bear. It has a code with it. Oh, nice. For some reason I thought it had a code with it, and then I didn't think it had the code with it. So, it has a code with it. Here's his tag, and here's his W. There he is, black bear. It's brand new.
Here's my Wonder Woman outfit. Yay! Here's the pants to Wonder Woman. And here's the shirt to Wonder Woman. That's awesome.
That's for my Cocker Spaniel named Gypsy Heart. I had to get this because it's awesome. This is so awesome. It's a Webkinz polar bear. I thought it was a Samoyed. Confused. Okay, there's a Webkinz polar bear, and that's brand new with code too. I don't know. I didn't know that this was coming with the package. Here's a Webkinz white googles, and yeah, here's the tag. Well, hold on. Here's the tag. Webkinz googles. There we go. And it comes brand new with the code too. I didn't realize they came with codes. And there's the W. I thought this came with a Samoyed. I'm not getting a Samoyed, guys. I thought that the Webkinz black bear was a Samoyed. And here's the Cocker Spaniel. Here is my Test Y. Brand new with a code. Webkinz Cocker Spaniel. I got these for $10 with shipping. It was a really good deal. And I didn't realize they were all brand new with codes. All of them, even the Googles. I thought they weren't. Yeah. And then here's the Webkinz carrier thing. Oh, come here, you. It's pink. And it has Webkinz. Oh, and it comes with a code. And it has a what on it. That's awesome. It has a lot. Whoa, that was really kind of expensive, kind of pricey. But it comes with a code, and it's really, yeah. And that's all. So those are all my Webkinz that I got. I'm mostly excited about the Cocker Spaniel. My Test Y. Yeah. Here are the Webkinz that I got. I got a Webkinz polar bear. Here's the code. A Webkinz pet carrier. Here's the code for that. I didn't realize these came with codes. Here's the Webkinz white googles. Webkinz. Here's the code. There's Y, my Cocker Spaniel, in her Wonder Woman outfit. Which did not come with a code, but I'm not a code user, so I will put these codes for trade on my website. Webkinz4trade.weebly.com. The number 4. Webkinz4trade. Here is the code for the Cocker Spaniel, that it will be my Test Y. He's gonna be the one that I try and bleach and stuff like that, which I will not put straight bleach in with him, but yeah, he's the one. Here's the black bear. Here's Test Y's W, and Test Y has sort of a different tag. He's a 3rd generation, but he has a different tag, yeah. There's his tag. Doesn't say Cocker Spaniel on it. But there's Test Y. My 9th Cocker Spaniel. Test Y. Yeah.